Good morning, grade 12. This is Mrs. Pascale. Today we are going to start with the new chapter, chapter 9, Sequences and Series. Section 9.2, Arithmetic Series. So the objective of this section is to define and determine the terms of an arithmetic sequence. A definition: what is a sequence in mathematics? A sequence is an ordered collection of things, figures, or numbers related by a definite pattern or definite relation. There are many types of sequences in figures and numbers, but we will look at two of the basic mathematics kinds, the arithmetic sequence and the geometric sequence. Once we understand the pattern behind any sequence, we would be able to figure out all the terms in the sequence. Arithmetic sequence. An arithmetic sequence is a list of ordered numbers such that the difference of any two successive terms is constant. What do we mean by that? Example. Given the list of numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, as you notice, the difference between 2 and 4 is 2, 4 and 6 is 2, 6 and 8 is 2, 8 and 10 is 2. So it's an arithmetic sequence with common difference 2. The first term of this sequence is denoted by A1 and is of value 2. The second term is denoted by A2 and is of value 4. The third term of this sequence is denoted by A3 and its value is 6, and so on. The last term of the sequence is always denoted by AN. General term of arithmetic sequence. The general term of or the last term of an arithmetic sequence is always defined by an equal a1 plus n minus 1 into d, where a1 represents the first term, d is the common difference, n is the number of terms in this list. Example. Given the list of numbers -5, 0, 5, 10, and 15, determine its type and its general term, then find the 10th term. So first, let's see the difference between 0 and -5. The difference between 0 and -5 is 5. The difference between 5 and 0 is 5. The difference between 10 and 5 is 5. 15 and 10 is 5, so it's arithmetic. The first term is -5, the second term is 0, third term is 5. So as said before, the difference is 5, it's constant, so we can say that this sequence is arithmetic with common difference 5. Its general term is defined by an equal a1 plus n minus 1d. So replacing a1 by -5 and the difference d by 5, we get an equal -5 plus n minus 5 times 5. Reducing this expression, we get an equal 5n minus 10. To find the 10th term of this sequence, all we have to do is to replace n by 10 and the general term. So we get a10 equal 5 into 10 minus 10, so it's 40. Let's take another example. Given the list of numbers 1, 4, 7, 10, determine the type, the general term, and the 13th and 20th term of this sequence. So first, the first term is 1, the second term is 4, the third term is 7, and the fourth given term is 10. The difference between a2 minus a1 is 3, a3 minus a2 is 3, a4 minus a3 is 3. So we have a common difference d equal to 3. So the sequence is arithmetic and its general term is defined by an equal a1 plus n minus 1 into d, replacing by a1 and d, we get the expression an equal 1 plus 3 into n minus 1. So reducing the general term, we get an equal 3n minus 2. Once we get the general term, we can find the 13th term by replacing n by 13. So we get 37, and replacing n by 20, so we get 58. Thank you.